CCP has awarded job of developing Baiguinim garbage site and Inez nullah to the GSIDC. Corporation of City of Panaji is also planning to charge extra tax to the 5-star hotels in the capital city. Mayor Surendra Fatado said CCP has received the consent from the government to execute leave and license agreement regarding Panaji Municipal Market. CCP's ordinary meeting was held on Monday.
Commissioner is working on that tax to be put for 5-star hotels. Room tax, whatever the charging, certain amounts will come to us. The corporate city of Panaji in his last meeting has given a resolution that Baiguinim and Inez nullah project will be taken up by the GSIDC. GSIDC is a big organization, they got infrastructure, and to evict people along the Inez nullah and to fight the panchayat, only government can do it. How long it is taking for market? You will all know that after fighting with the government and threatening Mr. Agarwal, the report came. You all know about it. Went for leave and license. Leave and license had to be changed 4 times in the standing committee. Then we had to show it again to the lawyer. Then we brought it to corporation meeting. Then we sent it to the government. DMA was sitting with it for 3 months. Only under pressure that we got this thing now.
The High Court has dismissed the petition of accused builder of Ruby Residency pleading not to demolish remaining building. State government contended before the court that accused builder Pradeep Singh Biring is absconding since the incident of building collapse. On 4 January this year, a multi-storied under-construction building had collapsed, killing 31 labourers.
The High Court on Monday dismissed a petition filed by owner-builder of Kankan-based Ruby Residency, Pradeep Singh Biring. Prime accused in building collapse case, Pradeep Singh Biring in his petition had pleaded not to demolish remaining building of Ruby Residency. Biring had also demanded to constitute a private expert committee to assess the stability of remaining building. In reply, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni contended that an expert committee was constituted to assess the stability of the structure earlier. That expert committee found that the building is unstable and dangerous. Advocate General also contended that petitioner builder is responsible for death of 31 labourers. The High Court accepted the contentions of state government and dismissed builder's petition. Building of Ruby Residency had collapsed on 4 January this year, killing 31 labourers and many labourers were injured. Accused builders Pradeep Singh Biring and Jagdeep Sehgal are still untraceable by the Goa police. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.